happy birthday to you.
Ramu, wish you happy birthday, Nana.
Happy birthday.
ఎల్లప్పుడు ఇలాగే చేసుకోవాలి, సుఖ సంతోషంగా ఉండాలని జీవిస్తున్నాం.
ఆశీర్వదిస్తున్నాం రాము, ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆశీర్వదిస్తున్నాం. ఎంజాయ్.
Wish you many happy returns of the day. I still remember how we got friends in Sarsveer and how we introduced each other in the game that Smita ma'am has conducted. So I don't know how time has passed. It's been 10 years we are friends, and I still remember how we both were talking about getting married, and we were so against marriages and all that. And I'm still happy that you have taken one right decision in your life for the first time, that is getting married to Susu, your wife Sushmita. So she's extremely sweet, and I hope you both live happily forever and ever. And I wish you, Sushmita, all the very best. I mean, it will be fun living with Pradeep, I'm sure. So bye guys, have fun, have a great day.
Hi Pradeep, wish you very happy birthday. And it was very nice to have a talk with your wife. She's really very sweet, and wish you very happy birthday.
Happiness of the day Botla. Entundedanvi full bottle laga ante digipoyavamma. Wish you happy birthday.
Botla, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. And pelli kuda raled kada, I wish you a happy and successful married life. Have a good time.
Hi Botla, wish you happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Butla. Have a blast.
Hi Papa, many happy returns of the day.
Hello, video testing. Happy birthday, Botla darling.
Birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha.
Many more happy returns of the day, Janu. May all the happiness comes to you.